This is a half rotisserie chicken right here, and I'm going to make a very classic French dish called rillette. And this is just like the meat that might have been, left over from half of a bird. All of the juices and the bits that are inside the container.
All of that is flavor.
It's flavor. What we're going to do here is just process this chicken. So simple, right? It's
Delicious.
just the fat now and the flavors mixing in with all of the little bits of the bird. And what I'm going to do is make the topping for our rotisserie chicken rillette. So I'm going to have a little bit of store-bought mayo, don't judge me. And I'm going to add...
I never judge you.
There you go. And a little bit of smoked paprika, which is going to give it a nice little flavor. I'm going to add a little bit of acidity. In this case, it's going to come from a lemon. I like cutting off just the sides of lemon so I don't get any pits in there.
A lemon cheek.
There we go. All right, and we're going to mix this together. This is going to be a little bit more flavor. Then on the top, and you can make it a little lower if you want to fit the... I didn't give you great directions there, Rach. That's my fault. You top it with a little bit of this.
But it looks beautiful. You can leave the top off. It looks so adorable.
A little bit of this sort of topping of mayonnaise. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this.
Beautiful. It's so
and there
gorgeous.
It is. This is classic. Listen.
It's simple. Look how elegant.
Rach, at my restaurant, you pay $39 for this mason jar.
Exactly.
We made it for less than $1, probably.
And in less than like 5 minutes. Oh, you know what you need to do?
What? Oh, that's it.
Tote board.
We got to do it.
Tote board. Tote board.
One dish down.
Okay, well, let's watch a little bit of number 2.
It's got to start with soup, right? Don't waste the bones.
Don't waste the bones.
Don't waste the bones. So here we have that carcass of the chicken. I'm going to add that to my pot over here, right? So you got the bones. Add a little bit of this chicken stock to it. And also, listen, obviously I'm feeling really hip because basically I'm also making bone broth right now.
That's right. Bone broth. Brodo
and here we go.
How we roll.
There we go. I love the brodo. And actually, this is going to be a version of sort of, I think, I got some kale over there and some beef, like a caldo verde, like a soup, like a Tuscan chicken soup. And I'm going to get this on the stove and start my second soup right here. There we go. I'll throw in some chickpeas while that cooks and simmers.
Kale is a great green to use for soups because it stands up. That's going to be really healthy and delicious.
Soup. It is going to be quite healthy, I think.
Yeah, it's going to really
piece
bump
of bread
up.
Next to it.
Yeah, you got your vitamins. You've got tons of extra protein with the chickpeas. Richard has been taking rotisserie chicken and rolling it into not 1, not 2, not 3, not even 10, but a baker's dozen. It's our 13th season, and he has made 13 dishes with rotisserie chicken.
Wow. And I'm cheerful, somehow.
Yes, and he's cheerful still. That is amazing. All right, show off. Walk them down the line from this end to this.
There we go, roll call. This is the rotisserie chicken rillette that we made at the top. This is our ribollita, the sort of Tuscan soup with kale and chickpeas and chicken. This is our chicken salad sandwich with curry. This is our leftover rice chicken risotto with Parmesan.
Oh, wow.
This is our chicken carbonara.
Oh.
This is our stew of chickpeas, kale, feta, and olives.
Nice.
This is our chicken noodle soup with dill. It's just missing a matzo ball, but you can figure that out.
Chicken noodle soup?
This is, I think, the crowd's favorite. This is our chicken Caesar salad with chicken skin croutons and an avocado dressing.
Yummy.
This is chicken omelet with Alfredo sauce.
What?
This is a version of shakshuka, which is a tomato and baked egg dish with chicken in it, of course. Chicken tostada, chicken bolognese, and then, of course, the easiest one, the repurposed chicken stock as chicken bone broth.
Yes!